everyone, I'm Jenny. Welcome to Shengen. Today, we're exploring one of the most advanced tools in precision manufacturing, the laser cutting machine. From electronics and automotive to aerospace and beyond, laser cutting plays a key role in producing high-precision parts. Let's take a closer look at how it works, why it's so effective, and how Shengen can support your manufacturing needs.
At its core, a laser cutting machine uses a high-powered laser beam to cut through materials with incredible accuracy. Here's how it works. The laser beam is generated by a laser source and directed onto the metal surface. The intense heat of the laser melts or vaporizes the material, while assist gases like nitrogen or oxygen blow away the molten metal, leaving a clean, precise cut.
Key components like the laser source, CNC control system, and assist gas delivery work together to ensure every cut is perfect. The CNC system guides the laser with pinpoint accuracy, allowing for complex shapes and intricate designs. So, why choose laser cutting? Let's break it down. First, precision. Laser cutting delivers clean, sharp edges with minimal material distortion. Second, speed. It's incredibly fast, making it ideal for high-volume production. And third, versatility. Whether you're working with stainless steel, aluminum, or even plastics, laser cutting handles a wide range of materials and thicknesses with ease. What sets Shengen apart? First, we are dedicated to providing high-quality products and services to every client. Our team is experienced and can customize based on your specific needs, and we always ensure on-time delivery to meet your project deadlines.
If you are interested in learning more about our services, please leave a comment below or contact us directly for more information. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.